my channel. I'm Beauty by Diana, and thank you for stopping by. No, I haven't been doing intros lately, like me sitting down talking in a tutorial. I just go straight into the tutorial, but this look right here, I had to talk about it. Okay, I love this look because I was like, I wanted to get out of my comfort zone just a little bit and explore. So with this look right here, I just did a little bit exploring. This is like a really dramatic smoky eye, and I really love it. It has glitter, got the lashes, and I love the lip combo that I have going on with this look. I'm just so excited to be able to have this look here on this channel as well. And as you guys can see, she is back. Yes, natural hair is back. I had to give up the braids for a little bit because I was concerned about my hair. I said maybe if I, don't know how my hair is going to turn out. But, I did kind of cut it up just a little bit. But other than that, my hair is back. But this video is not about hair. This video is about this look here. But if you're here, I want to say hello. And if you're new, make sure you subscribe to this channel because you have 3 options to subscribe to the channel. You have one right here on your mobile device, one right here on your desktop, and one massive one. Let's all touch the screen together on the screen. So make sure you guys hit either or because, subscribe is free. So yeah, I'm gonna hush and I'm gonna get right into this look. Alright, so now I started out by setting the concealer because usually I just go right into the look, but I felt like I wanted to change it up a bit. Just a little bit, you guys. Change is good, right? So I'm just going to be applying my favorite tape because I do like the sharp edge that it gives. So I just apply tape to the ends of the eyes. This is a tip if you want that sharp look. This is just a tip, okay? So I'm going to go in with these Judy Time palette. I'm going to take the brown. I'm going to be applying it into the crease. And with the BH Cosmetics Hollywood palette, and I'm taking the purple out and applying it right above the brown. Alright, now I'm going back in with the BH Hollywood palette, and I'm going to be taking the black and apply it right up under the crease. Of course, I'm doing my other favorite part, which is concealing the lids because I do love a cut crease. in with the eBay palette, and I'm going to be taking the blue yellow, and then I'm also going to be taking the blue. Then I went on and I applied eyeliner, which is the Color Mates eyeliner, and I went ahead and applied my lashes. But after that, I just made sure I blended out everything, and I applied before I applied my lashes, I applied the Xlash Mascara.